Feeling overwhelmed by endless to-dos? Let's tame that chaos with Google Calendar reminders. First, open Google Calendar. There are several ways to create a reminder, but we'll start with the easiest directly from your calendar view. Click on any date where you'd like to set a reminder and then select Reminder. Type in the task you want to remember, like pay bills, then select the date and time for the reminder. This is crucial for staying on schedule. Choose whether it's a one-time event or set it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or even customize it for specific days. For example, you could set it to remind you every Friday to back up computer. Google Calendar reminders automatically sync across all your devices, meaning you will receive notifications on your computer and mobile devices. Just make sure notifications are enabled in your settings. Once you've completed a task, simply mark it as done within the calendar. This clears it from your upcoming list and keeps you organized. You can also edit reminders at any time by clicking on them and making your changes. To see all your reminders, past and present, check the side panel in Google Calendar. This helps you keep track of what you've accomplished and what still needs doing. Google Calendar reminders, your secret weapon to stay organized and productive.